Hi, this is Rob. How to set the date and time on the Accutime touchscreen kids watch. I am using Accutime Sonic the Hedgehog touchscreen kids watch, but all of the Accutime touchscreen kids watches use the same method to set the date and time. How to set the date on the Accutime touchscreen kids watch. Swipe the touchscreen until you see the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon. This page is to set the wallpaper. Tap on the right arrow to go to the next page. This is where you set the date. Tap on Set. The middle date is what the watch has as the current date set to. The Accutime Kids watches use the month, day, year format. 01/10/2023 is January 10th, 2023. To move the month backward, tap on the month above the current setting. In this case, to move the month forward, tap on the month below. In this case, tap on the 11 below the 10. So adjust the month until you have the current month. In my case, September, the 9th month. Next, set the day. To move the day backward, tap on the day above the current setting. In this case, the 6 above the 7. To move the day forward, tap on the day below. So adjust the day until you have the current day. In my case, the 5th day. Next, set the year. To move the year forward, tap on the year below. In this case, tap on the 2024 below the 2023. To move the year backward, tap on the year above. In this case, tap on the 23 above the 2024. So adjust the year until you have the current year. In my case, 2022. Now I have the year set to September 5th, 2022. After you have the current date in the middle, press the green check mark below. How to set the time on the Accutime touchscreen kids watch. Swipe from right to left on the watch face until you get to the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon. This page is to set the date. Tap on the right arrow to go to the next page. This page is to set the time. Tap on the blue Set button. The current time is the middle time, 8:53 p.m. To move the hour backward, tap on the hour above the current middle time set. In this case, tap the 7 above the 8. To move the hour forward, tap on the hour below. In this case, tap the 7 below the 6. So adjust the hour until you have the current hour. In my case, 11. Next, set the minutes. To move the minute forward, tap on the minute below the middle minute. In my case, tap on the 54 below the 53. So adjust the minutes until you have the current minute. In my case, 00. If you want to move the minutes backward, tap on the minute above the current middle minute setting. You can change the AM or PM by tapping on the AM or PM above the current middle time. Now I have the current time that I want, 11 AM. After you have the current time in the middle, press the green check mark below. The screen pops up and it shows 11 AM. The watch is now set to 11 AM. Okay, that's it. I hope that you like this video.